Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make thumbnails on mobile. So when you wanna go onto your search engine, Google, whatever you have, and you just want to go and search up Wallpaper. Right there, click on online photo editor, Wallpaper online photo editor. Then when it loads, you want to click on new project. Then you could name it. I'm not going to name it, but you could so you need to change your width to 1280 by 720 and your height to 720. Width to 1280 and then your height 720. DPI doesn't matter, and then background needs to be transparent. Then click on create, and then you want to open a new tab. Once you've opened a new tab, you want to search up 1280. Oops. 1280 x 720. And then you want to do whatever you want to start off with. So I'm going to just go with red wallpaper. And put that in. You don't have to put that in. You just need to put in whatever you want. Then you want to click on images. And then you want to choose your background. I'm choosing this one because I quite like this one. And then you want to hold, you need to make sure it's right there, that, it's 720 right there. Whoops. Yeah, but you want to make sure it's 1280 by 720. Then you want to hold your finger on it and click on add to photos. Then go back to Wallpaper, click on file, click on open in place. Then click on photo library, then go on all photos and click on the photo that you want. So I clicked on, now that is there. Next, what you want to do is you want to open a new tab, search in so say we want to add pictures now. To add pictures, what we want to do is you want to search up like whatever type of picture you want. I'm just going to go for what should I think I'll just go for hot dog, but you can do whatever you want, anything. So just go to images again, and then you want to click on whatever picture you want to choose. I want a cartoon. So you can choose whatever you want. We're doing a cartoon hot dog. Let's just go for this is a good one. So then you want to and then you just want to hold it, add to photos, then we go back to Wallpaper, click on file, click on open in place, then click on photo library, and then click on all photos are recent, click the photo that you want, and then open, done. Then you can move where it is, change the size of it. We're just going to leave it like that. Next, we want to add text. So to add text, you want to click down here, this little T button for text, down there. Hopefully you'll see that. But you want to click on that. And now I've clicked on it. You want to click on where you want to start your text. So I've just done that, but now it's just loading the font. Okay, so as you can see down there, that's the text, but we want it bigger. So to make it bigger, you see the size, and then there's 24 pixels. You want to click on the little arrow, and then when you click on the arrow, a little thing will pop up. You can just do this, and then you can change it to what size you want. I like 100, but you can do whatever you want. So 100, and then that'll just add pixels. So now you can see the font. So now you can see the title. And say you want to change the font of it, just click on, like, it'll usually reset as Deja Sans, like, or something. And then you want to click on that, like, and then it'll have. So when you click on that, there'll be all the different fonts you can choose from. We're going to go for Destroy, because I like that. And then what you want to do is, you want to click on your font, and then you can type in whatever you want to say. So we're just going to go hot dog. Oh, wait, no. Hot. There we go. Hot dog. And you can also move it, like, you can move where you want. You can move the text thing. Tapping where you want it to be. Okay? I think that's pretty much it. But then you want to click on File again and Export As. Then you want to click on PNG, and then this is the exact same what we did in the last video, but and then you want to click on Download when you click Save. So then what you want to do, you want to go out of Safari. You want to go to this little folder sort of thing, and you'll see your new thing on mobile. Then you can also draw in it from here, and then you could also do that. But what we want to do is we're gonna take a photo of this. So you should know how to take a photo. You just click the home button and the turn off button at the same time. So I've just taken a photo of it. Just swipe that, and then go to your photos, and you'll see the photo. So then after you've done that, you want to just showing you how you can download that. I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. If you don't have that, you can download it. But then you want to go to your videos, and then I'm just going to click on one of my videos. I'm not going to change anything. But then you want to click on edit, like that edit little drawing tool, and then this will be the thumbnail you can change it to. So custom thumbnail. Then you have all these photos. So when you're uploading a new video, you can add your thumbnail that you have made. You can also do that after the video is published. But anyway, I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.